Hey everyone, I'm David, or GhostFX, in case if you haven't noticed. Today I'm going to show you a brand new, really cool, but it's not brand new. It's actually two setups, which is SNRC1 and SNRC2, which is essentially a continuation pattern in supply and demand. But before I start with anything, I have to show you how to understand it and what are you searching for these setups. You have to understand one thing is that you are always searching for these things. You are searching for the SSR. Without this, you cannot find the key level. You cannot find the supply and demand. Well, you can find the supply and demand, but you need it in line. You got S1, S1, S2, whoops, S2, and R1, R2. What you need to understand, which is really important, is that if there is one support, it does not make it significant. If there is at least two, I'm going to say this again, if there's at least two, it makes it significant. Same goes with the resistance. Then this level becomes now your SSR line. Now that that is done for the SSR, the base is very simple. You are looking for a 3-candle pattern, which is drop, base, drop, rally, base, rally, rally, base, drop, and drop, base, rally. This is your base. This is very key because you are trying to find this in line with your SSR to get a key level. I will show you an example when I'm showing you the setup. And there are loads of these setups on gold. So you're gonna drop, base. Oh yeah, drop, base, drop, rally, base, rally. It is a continuation like candlestick patterns. Bear in mind, I drew this on purpose. So you have to understand that the base needs to be engulfed. So you're looking for an engulfed candlestick pattern. If it is something like this, for example, you have this. This is what I'm talking about, engulfed. The base engulfed, right? So you have to picture that all of these bases have been engulfed. The same goes here. Drop, base, drop, rally, base, rally. We can put rally, base, drop. Again, the drop will be engulfed. The third candle has to engulf, and the same here. So here's no drop. We put your green, rally. It doesn't matter what color this is. This can be gray, whatever you want to put it. It does not matter, but the base needs to be engulfed. All right. What you're searching for is a key level. And when you're looking for SNRC1 and SNRC2, you are looking for the same thing. But before I show you an example, let me show you. This is SNRC1. You will find here, right over here, SNRC1. Because it's support, break, there will be a base, resistance. And essentially, this is a continuation setup. You cannot find this in reversals. You can find SNRC setups near a reversal point, but it is usually a trap. And obviously down it goes. Lastly, we have SNRC2. I'm pretty sure it's like this. Yeah. Breaks. There's another one. And yeah, this is pretty much how it is. And you will find a base here. Yeah. The line will be your SSR level along with the base. Whatever. I'll make it clear cut for everyone. Understand it's a drop base drop. Obviously, if you want me to draw the other drop, that's fine. Same thing here. And obviously it's reverse for, it is reverse for, obviously, if you're buying. If a trend is going higher, you will buy it. I know it's a very bad drawing, just bear with me. Because once I draw it and once I show you an example, you will understand. You will find a base. Your base is very important. There is setups without a base, but if you go to lower time frame, you will find them. This is basically it. I will show you now in the chart. We're on gold right now, 30-minute. I seen this literally yesterday when practicing the charts. Here's SNRC. I'm pretty sure this is SNRC2. Your base is right here. Do you understand it? Better yet, it is an engulfed candlestick pattern and you get a base. So here is your, support, base, resistance, or basically SNRC1. This trade is very simple. You can catch loads of continuations. And if you're thinking this was your only one, wrong. There's another one right up here. And your base is right up here. Same thing. Support, base, resistance. Right? And obviously your SSR, if you want me to, I'll mark it. Support, boom, you already got significant support. There's also another support here. There's also another support. There's also another support here. And if you want resistance, I'm looking for two. I don't care about anything, but I will count also any other ones. I will count this one because this one is still very close to the line, and it aligns with the base. It aligns with this base. If you don't see the base, if the base is below it, never take the one below. I'll always take the one above, the one that is closest to the SSR line. And that's very simple. These are my two examples on how to find support, base, resistance, SNRC1. This is SNRC1. We will find SNRC2. Pretty sure SNRC2 will be very simple. Maybe we can find a buy, for it. Is it this one? Yeah, it is. Shit. It's really quick. If I can just change to line chart and check. Yeah. Pretty sure I like this level, except the fact that SNRC1 will look something like this. This is how I picture in my head SNRC 2. That's exactly how I see it. And it's not here, so this will most likely be an SNRC1 trade. And we'll only find this on continuation setups. Actually, this is QMC. It's like another continuation setup. It's very simple, and obviously your base is right here. If you saw me draw that line, Here's your base. It's just that simple. If I can find, oh, probably the best one is right here. Found it, SNRC2. So exactly what I saw. If maybe it'll be nicer for everyone who's watching this. There you see it. It came back down to form that base. So, and yeah, maybe to me, I wouldn't have had that stop loss hit because I would have put my stop loss down here. But yeah, you get SNRC2. Very simple, very light trade. Your most there's also QMCs you can find for continuations, but that is pretty much it. If I can, I'll try to find one more example real quick of SNRC2. Could it be this one? Yeah, because this base, the base is right here. Obviously, after it broke lower, it came back to retest. So your SNRC2 level is here. So you got support, engulfed, base, drop again, retest, and it drops harder. And that's basically how we find SNRC1, SNRC2. It is very straight, very forward. Do not get confused and do not be confused on how to find the SSR and the base. It is very simple. These are very easy continuation trades with high RR setups, risk to rewards. Thank you so much, GhostFX.